Hey traders, welcome back to the recap AMD. So do you guys remember that I analyzed back in 2 weeks ago on the 1st of December that I mentioned about there are actually three ways that it can go. So either it's going to reject on this resistance level and then it's going to push back down, or on this resistance level pushing back down, or it's going to break the two resistance level and it goes to the upside. And as you guys can see, and I haven't changed anything, and if you guys don't believe me, you guys can go back and check out my AMD stock breakdown, and I did make a analysis on it. If we are going back from today on the 13th of December, you guys can see the 2 weeks candle. It is basically going down because we have here the doji. And the doji, as you guys know, it is undecided. It doesn't know where it wants to go. Either it's wants to go keep pushing up or keep pushing down. But it seems that it has literally rejected at the area of interest, which is the resistance level, and now it wants to keep pushing down towards to the next level, which is around this support level. So right here, you guys can see I did analyze for 2 weeks ago that the weekly is the bullish trend, which we still have it. And daily is the bearish, 4-hour bearish, 2-hour bearish, and the 1-hour is bearish. So if we have so many time frames that indicates that it's going downhill and not uphill, there is a higher chance that it will keep pushing down. So if we look at the daily time frame, so we can see right here that it came up to the resistance level. Yes, it did break through the resistance level, but there was a fake out or a liquidity grab. It came back down, it came back up, and now we have a beautiful daily bearish engulfing candle. So what does it mean? It wants to go further down. So on the 4-hour time frame, it's very, very the same thing. It went up, it rejected, tried to retest one more time, it did reject, it came up, it actually broke through the resistance level, but it didn't really want to go further to the next resistance level. So on the 2-hour time frame, it looks very similar. It retested, it reject, it retested, it reject, it did hover around for quite some times. It went back down, retested again, and then break through. So this indicates me that it really wants to push further down to the next support level. And for the 1-hour candle, it is literally the same thing, but with more candle, okay? With more candles right here. Retest, reject, retest, hovering around, consolidation, doesn't know where I want to go, keep pushing down, came back up, and keep pushing back down. So what can I predict or analyze for the next coming week? So I believe definitely on the 4-hour time frame, we have another support level. This support level is not that strong as the other because we have two touches right around this area. And this indicates me that it might wants to reject around the $200 dollar mark, right? And maybe it wants to come back up in order to push back higher. So for right now, it is definitely coming down. All right, so what I can analyze for right now, that if you guys want to trade, the take profit target for the 4-hour time frame would be around the $200 mark. So you need to be careful. If it really can break through the not too strong support level and it's going to retest and it wants to push back down, then it might comes down around 182 or even 180. So this is another target that you guys can set up. Why is it the next target? It's just because of the support level. You just need to go from support to the next support, from resistance to the next resistance. And that would be my target. So I literally can set up something like this. Okay. So number one, it might push back up and wants to push back down. And then the next level would be around 182. All right. If you have any question, please comment down below. And I really want to know what's your analysis on AMD. And as always, you gain, you execute, you succeed. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.